Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we have an app which can help you to manage your social medias, wherein you can manage your collaborations with different brands and different promotions. So in this app you have a billing system as well, wherein you can create a template or you can charge the brands depending upon their customization, their requirements, what kind of publicity they need from you. So let's get started. So the name of the app is Kitly. So basically, I guess this is a newly launched app as it doesn't have much rating. So let's get to the mobile screen and see how we can use this app. So here's the app, guys, Kitly. So basically, this is a newly launched app. So as they don't have any ratings or downloads. So let's just open this app. So this app was already open, so let me just open my account performance. So I have linked one of my YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, App Analyst. So it shows you statistics. So it is not showing a correct statistics data. So it can show you your posts as well, whatever post you have done, the region from where your videos were watched, age group, your gender. So it gives short statistics what is available in YouTube platform as well. And then you have option of media kit, wherein you can create a kit. Like for example, if you are having a collaboration with some specific brand and you are planning to post a IGTV video, like you can connect your social media account here as well. So you are planning to post a video with this content. So you can create a media kit and then you can select its status. You can add all the details. So let me just show you creating a media kit. So I can just create a new media kit. So here you can upload the image. Here you can give the heading. You can put the bio, like what things were there. You can put the website location, website link and details. And then you can put the costing for this as well. So at the end of the month you can see like how many brands you have posted, like how many brands you have collaborated with, and it gives you a complete report. So here's the report section wherein you can get the complete report. You can create your own report from this date to this date, and you have to select a specific social media account, and it will give you analysis like what is the costing of each and every posts, and how much you have earned in this specific month or specific given time. Then you have a section of brands wherein it shows the brands you have collaborated with. So you can add a brand with their company name, their mail address, their contact, if anyone from the brand has contacted you. And similarly you have the collaboration history, like what were your previous collaboration, the upcoming collaboration. And also you can create the invoice depending upon the collaboration. So you can set up the invoice template over here, and then you can put all the details and the invoice will be generated, and you can share it with the specific person. And then here is the setting. So this is a free version. Basically you can also go for paid version. So this is a chart which gives you the difference of paid version and free version. So in free you get 2 reports, 2 media kit, 2 collab, 2 invoicing, and 3 accounts of each social media. So you can connect Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. So right now I was not able to connect my Facebook or Instagram, so I tried connecting my YouTube and it got connected. Then there's a professional pack wherein you can have all the details in more number, and there's a publisher which has unlimited count for each. So yes, that was it for the app. So it can be used mainly by agencies like public representation agencies who have bigger clients who have to manage various social media accounts from here, or you personally can manage your various social media accounts from here as well. So yes, that was it for today's video. That was it for today's app. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.